Hello everyone. I'm taking pictures of the new work that's being done. You know, I fired the other Richard. And I call him a lawnmower guy because that's what he is. He comes and cuts some grass. Well, he's taking over the job and going to finish my house. I still have a long way to go, but me and my friend Marie, we cleared out a lot of this today. It's still, you think it's still messy? Well, it's not really. I've got things where I could go over here and say, now I can find my cooking pot there. You know, pans. I couldn't find them before because they were just piled high. You know, they were piled way high up to here high. So now we can semi get over there and find stuff. But this is going to be holding my house up now. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's going to look a lot better. So, anyway, y'all have a blessed night and look out tomorrow. I may be live. Don't know what time, but me and my friend are going to go riding off, and I'm going to maybe do a car ride live. I don't know. Depends on if my phone will let me. So, all right, everyone. Y'all have a blessed day. And we're going to see y'all on the next one. Bye.